You saying hug? Hug? You giving her a hug? Give her a hug and a kiss. Yes. See? There. That's what I'm taping. Now go back so I can tape you too. Go back. Go give Reagan a hug and a kiss. Go give baby Reagan a hug and a kiss. Yes, that's Reagan. Can you go give her a hug and a kiss? Let me see. Let me see you give her a hug and a kiss. Go kiss baby Reagan.
Hi, baby.
Hi. Kiss? What about a hug? You're too funny.
Me.
Can you blow her a kiss?
Ma.
Can you blow her a kiss?
Ma.